Start. It is borne out from the record that initially the third respondent granted permission to the institution to fill up the vacant posts of headmaster, assistant teacher, and clerk by letter dated 30th July 2016. Thereafter, certain complaint was made to the district basic education officer that the president of the committee of management had not signed the proposal on basis of which the management had sought permission to fill up the vacant posts. Acting on the said complaint, the district basic education officer, after coming to the conclusion that the permission was obtained on the basis of fraudulent resolution, revoked the permission granted in respect of the post of headmaster and one assistant teacher by another order dated 2nd August 2016, which is also impugned herein. The permission in respect of the post of clerk was also revoked, relying on the circular letter dated 3rd June 2016 and the government order dated 6th November 2015. Para. According to the petitioner, fresh election took place on 13 October 2016 and in which the petitioner committee was elected. The signature of the manager of the petitioner committee of management was attested by the district basic education officer on 24th October 2016. Thereafter, the petitioner committee, being a duly recognized committee by letter dated 7th November 2016, sought permission to fill up the vacant post of headmaster and assistant teacher in the institution. The resolution passed by the Committee of Management of the institution in that regard dated 28 October 2016 was enclosed along with the application dated 7th November 2016. The District Basic Education Officer, by impugned communication dated 17 November 2016, declined to accord approval. The circular letter dated 3rd June 2016 has been placed on record along with the counter affidavit filed by respondent number 3. In the aforesaid circular letter, which is addressed to the district basic education officers of the state, it has been observed that by letter of the directorate dated 6 November 2015, permission was granted to fill up the vacant posts within the sanctioned limit by 31st March 2016. It has come to the notice of the directorate that in various institutions, on account of certain difficulties, selection process could not be completed by the prescribed time and consequently the time of completing the selection process was extended up to 31st July 2016. The circular letter further states that in case the selection process is not completed in any district by the prescribed date, the concerned district basic education officer and the management of the institution shall be held responsible for the same. The circular letter further refers to the letter of the directorate dated 6 November 2015 on basis of which the selection process was required to be completed. The government order dated 6 November 2015 states that the ban which was imposed by government order dated 15th March 2012 in respect of direct recruitment on the vacant posts in government-aided private junior high schools shall stand lifted. Para. It is admitted to the parties that the ban which was imposed by government order dated 15th March 2012 was on account of the reason that at the relevant time the exercise for redetermination of the sanctioned strength of the institution was being undertaken. Since the said exercise had been completed, therefore, the ban on appointment was lifted with the issuance of the government order dated 6 November 2015. Rule 3 within bracket 2 contemplates filling of the vacancies within 2 months of the date when the vacancy comes into existence. The same could not be adhered to because of the ban imposed by the state itself. The circular letter of the directorate dated 6 November 2015 clearly indicates the anxiety of the directorate to ensure filling up of the vacant posts by the management of the institutions without any further delay, as these posts had remained vacant for considerable time on account of the ban imposed by the state. Stop.